video, we're going to embed the plastic with some plastic. So this one, I'm not going to spin the rod, I'm not going to do any of that stuff because I just want to create a layer of plastic to encapsulate the metal. So that's what we're doing. We're just laying down a strip of plastic over top. That's going to hold that metal mesh into place and give us the strength that we're looking for. And there's one last thing we gotta do. Anytime we weld, see, I got a little too eager. I pulled some of that plastic off of there. Didn't want to do that. That's fine. We'll make up for it. That's what I like about plastic, it's forgiving. Just add it later. It's just cosmetic, I didn't take off that much. So right now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to kind of make sure that my plastic I'm using to bury the metal mesh in is shaped nicely, isn't protruding out too many areas. I don't like people seeing my work, honestly, if I can help it. And now the last thing we're going to do is we're going to lay a strip across here. So we're going to start here and we're going to come across this way. And it's called a T-weld. And what that essentially does is it welds across an area where it could potentially separate. Alright, so that little joint point right there, we're essentially going to weld a little bit in a little half moon shape here, right? So that way that area where it could crack open is going to be nice and strong. Ready? From here. Let's see. If you guys are following me, you would know that the torches that I use are nap gas, and so the heat is incredibly hot. Incredibly hot. Alright. So that's why you don't really, it doesn't look like the flame is actually really even touching it, when really it's cooking it pretty good. Alright, don't be fooled by maybe a lack of lighting or just a lack of proper ability to catch the flame in the video. It's definitely on it. You always want to make sure you're in a well-ventilated area. If you're at home in your garage or something, turn a fan on, something. You don't really want to be breathing this stuff in. This shop is pretty well ventilated here. I try to use some sort of fan or something to blow all the smoke and fumes away from me when I'm doing the videos. Try to wear a respirator if you can when you're welding. Save your life. Alright, there we go. Cool that down. actually see what the finished product looks like. Just using compressed air to cool it down rapidly. Doesn't affect it at all. Okay. So now that one place where we welded it in place, that's already holding. Nice and strong. Alright, that's gonna be solid. So now shouldn't have peeled the tape off of that side, but we'll do that side now and then do that next video. Check it out.